Is this significantly louder, John? The pack is down 10, and the other two are boosted 5, so it's a 15 dB difference.